Okay, we're out here. Found the elusive Indian pipes or ghost pipes. Now these are a natural sedative. They look like fungus, but they have roots. And these little flowers have seeds. Let's see if I can get you a shot of that in there. These little flowers have seeds in them. They do have roots. And what they'll do is they'll dry up like this. They're starting to dry up from the top down. And then the seeds will dry up. And they'll dry up and they'll just stand there brown for a while. And they say they're on the endangered, or they're not on the endangered list, but now I hike a lot in the woods and I see them all the time. I mean, people say they're elusive and everything, but right now is the time of year after a good wet spring to find them. Like I said, they're good for digestive problems, stomach ailments, headaches, toothaches. It's a natural sedative. And the roots is where the medicine is. I mean, the tops are good medicine too, don't get me wrong, but roots are always better.